What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to put to the test another very unique system for the gas can. Obviously they make in different sizes. I got the smallest just to test it out, see if it's going to work really well. What's so special about this gas can? It's nozzle. There is a little button right here when you're going to fill it up the gas. Since they ever passed the law that gas cans, all of them, the new ones that goes for sale, has to be non-spill gas cans. All of them are annoying and not so comfortable to use. So I'm always looking for easier and better way to use compared to those regulated gas cans. Everybody don't like them, we all know. So let's see if this one actually going to work really good, even better than the old ones. There is a little stopper. Oh, pretty nice, and looks like there's a gas filter in there. So this is going to go right inside here. Nice. Unscrews. I wish this side here was connected to here. Whenever you take it off, you don't have to lay it somewhere. I wish it was hanging somewhere. That's a first flaw. Pretty sure a lot of people are going to lose this piece. Whenever you're going to pour it, you hold it like this for your 4 fingers. And then you press it. Simple instruction: push forward, press down. Let's try it out. I got here a couple jars so they see through, so we can see what's happening. First of all, that's kind of awkward. Whoops. Does it spill? Wow, if I hold it upside down, it does not spill. Look at that. There was a little bit left over. But yeah, that's kind of nice. So I guess you kind of don't even have to have this cover. I would, because gasoline will evaporate and make fumes. So make sure you don't lose this cup. Maybe, I don't know, there's a little tip. You can add something on and put it in here so that way you don't lose it. But let's try it. I don't know, this is kind of awkward. Let me try it with the left hand. You know what, that's not bad, especially if you're using this small can for like a chainsaw, lawnmower. Easy to stop. Look to the tip. Top it off. Wow, that's pro. I did spill a couple drops, but this is nice. Let me show it to you guys. This is just water, but yeah, no problem. First time using it. I don't know, for some reason for me it's easier to use it with left hand, because I like to hold heavy things with my right hand and push it with the left hand. It's kind of more awkward for me to hold it like that. So let's try it again. But it's all different for everybody, we all know. Pouring it pretty good, kind of bubbles. You can really control it. You know what? It's actually really easy to press it. Look at me. Especially whenever it's upside down. I don't know why, but it is a bit easier to press. I kind of like that. Is it automatic shut off? Let's find out. So whenever you shut off, there is a little bit of a spillage because there is still water, I guess, from the here to here have to run out. So just remember that. But it's kind of hard to see whenever you pour it into a chainsaw. You're probably going to end up spilling anyways. In a jar is easy, but chainsaw, there's a little entrance. You pouring it, pouring, you're like whoops, and you might overspill it. So I wish it was self-stopping over here or some sort, so whenever you let go, all the gasoline goes back in. But oh well, still really nice can, that's for sure. Top it off. Nice. I like it. This is not bad at all. It does gulps a little bit, so that's a little minus whenever it's really full. But overall, I'm pretty surprised. It actually works really nicely, and once you actually use it for a little bit, it's not too hard to press it and hold it. I was holding my fingers on. I was holding it like this. You want to really put the grip into it like that, and then it's easy to press it every time. maybe it was just new in the beginning too. So thumbs up for me for this gas can. By the way guys, this is a new regulated by government gas cans, and they're really annoying. Right here you'd have to push it down, and then it'll push down somehow on a weight. It is really hard to empty it out all the way, and guess what, it doesn't push now. What's happening? So let me try to push it on this thing, and so you really have to push it hard down on this thing, and that layer plastic supposed to open, push down, but it's just such a bad design, and then after a while it doesn't even come up all the way back up. What a garbage nozzle, completely. Thanks, regulated. You know what guys, I'm pleasantly surprised. This nozzle is actually very universal. You know what, that's another huge points, because now in my opinion this nozzle and gas can pretty much 4.5 out of 5. This regulated nozzles right here are the worst. Don't buy them, you're going to regret it. I guess you gotta push it something, I guess down this way, and then it's gonna go down. Or you're supposed to push it down this way. There you go, you push it down this way, and then this comes up. This is such a bad design and really hard to work with. So if I have to choose between this one or this one, obviously this one. It even looks professional. But you know what I just noticed? This thing right here don't even have extra cup at the end right here. The only cup they have is right here. That's it. So you have to open this up every time you want to fill up the gas. You gotta remove this, take this off, then plug this in. This one you don't really have to do this because you can still add on a cup. Wow, what a big difference.